Government in Tamil Nadu remains on the back foot as a fallout of the custodial torture and death of Ajit Kumar. The AIADMK and the BJP, which are now in alliance in the state, have staged a mega protest against the state of affairs in Tamil Nadu. This even as the Madras High Court has come out with some scathing observations about this particular case as well. And the BJP and the AIADMK have been taking out protests against what they describe as a very disturbing trend of custodial torture as well as deaths in the state of Tamil Nadu under the current dispensation. Let me go across to Dharani for more on this. Dharani, take us through what the BJP as well as the AIADMK is saying. And this is quite interesting because when the AIADMK was in power in the state of Tamil Nadu, MK Stalin was at the forefront of protesting against custodial torture as well as deaths. If one also recalls the ghastly incident that had taken place in Toothukudi as well when the AIADMK was in power.
Well, in 2020, when the Southampton custodial deaths came to light, the DMK held mega protests across the state. In fact, several top faces from the DMK, including Udayanidhi Stalin, they visited the family of the victim and they expressed condolences. And now today what we are looking at Sivaganga is a joint protest by the AIADMK and the BJP. And the AIADMK and the BJP, they are staging this protest demanding justice for the Sivaganga custodial death victim Ajit Kumar. In fact, yesterday Chief Minister MK Stalin spoke to the family of the victim over a phone call, and he apologized to the mother of the victim for what has happened. He told that the government will stand with the family and that the government will assure all kinds of assistance to the family. But today, despite all the measures being taken by the state government, the AIADMK and the BJP, they are claiming that this is not enough, and they are telling that the Chief Minister, also being the Home Minister, he should take responsibility, he should take ownership and resign from his position. That is the demand that is coming in from the opposition parties. The DMK has not responded to these demands yet, but of course the case has now been transferred to the CBI. Late in the evening yesterday, after talking to the family of the victim, the Chief Minister also announced that he is recommending this case to the CBI, which means that the CBI will take over the investigation of this particular case.
Sure.
All these steps, these are being called as an eyewash by the opposition parties, and the opposition parties are demanding the resignation of the Home Minister, that is Mr. MK Stalin, the Chief Minister.
Protests unfold and what the DMK has to say about protests unfold and what the DMK has to say about them. We'll turn our attention